In this video, you will learn how to import schedule K-1 or a 1065 into Turbotax. First, open your tax return. Sign in to Turbotax and open your tax return. Search for K-1. Click on the search bar at the top, type K-1, then click on the jump to K-1 in the results. Start the K-1 section. Turbotax will ask you, did you receive any scheduled K-1? Choose yes. Select partnership form 1065. When asked to type what type of K-1 was received, choose import or manual entry. In your K-1 provider support, Turbotax will give you an option to import directly. Follow the prompts. If not, choose I'll type it myself. Enter your K-1 information. Enter your information in each box scheduled at your K-1, such as your partner's share of the income, deductions, credits, etc., or any codes or amounts from box 13 to 20. Turbotax provides guidance for each field, including descriptions of box codes. Finish and review. Continue through all the prompts. Turbotax will ask you a certain amount of codes and provide extra questions based on your K-1 details. Now you know how to import scheduled K-1 into Turbotax. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.